What's up, guys? We're back and we're doing 2022 what I got for Christmas. So, first thing is this Mustang. It doesn't say what kind it is, but it's made by Ford, and you can connect it to your phone and put it on this thing, and then you can just drive it, and then you can see the stuff on here. And look, if you click this, the lights will come on and off, even the back lights. And this is how you move it. Next is this big Fortnite gun. It's a Nerf one. I forgot what it was called, but it's really big. So this is where you reload. You put the bullet in there, and then close this, and then this, you hold this back, and then do that. Next, we got an X-Shot. I got this for my birthday, but this is where you put the bullets in, and then you close it, pull this back, and then shoot. Now, these are the things I mainly wanted because I see this everywhere on YouTube. And I love them.
What's the name of it?
Posca markers. P-O-S-C-A. Posca. Next, my favorite superhero, Spider-Man. So this is a Spider-Man web slinger. It's silly string and a Spider-Man glove. Now this is Trouble. It's basically a game where you click this little button in the middle. It says try me. You click it, and then the dice rolls on a number. That's 6. It looks like a 9 bucks a 6. So in these little cubes right here they're just little cubes, but I don't know what they're called.
Pigs. Pigs.
Pegs. And so you see all these different colors? That's each of the team. So yellow is yellow team, green is green team, red is red team, blue is blue team. And so you see that you see the red team, and there's numbers on it. It kind of looks like baseball, but there's numbers on it, and there's a green and a red, and there's 2 X's.
Double trouble.
And that is double trouble. So that's when you click this 2 times. If you land on a 6, that's when you click it 2 times again. So these are wooden cars. You can paint them. It's 100% real wood. You can paint them, and then you can make it into this. That's that. So this. Sounds like there's nothing in here, but there's something in here. So, see this? These are the goggles. And then on here, there's a screwdriver, a hammer, a wrench, a bolt thing. There's the gloves. There's the packet for these things. That's the wood. And those are the bolts. This. I like coloring, so I got this, and basically it's a coloring kit. This is what it looks like inside. What are these? Oh. So this, I guess it's to polish it? I don't know. Oh, to paintbrush. There's different paintbrushes. This is one, or that's one. This is two. Then these are all the crayons, colored pencils, a colored rainbow stick marker, and then there's markers, black, brown, gray, tan, kind of purple, blue, light blue, dark green, green. And then there's the paint stuff. I don't know what this is or this. I know what this is. This is the pencil sharpener. And that's it. So these are the roller blades that go with these. I almost put them on every day. These are the brakes. Yeah. This is to unloosen it. And you see where it says push? You have to put it on the exact same foot so you know to push this one. So it will be right there. Same thing with this one. These. I have not tried these yet because 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 8 wheels all together. So, look at how slippery this is. That you can go really fast. These are not even that fast. But the more wheels, the faster it goes. So, watch this. Oh, oh no. Forgot these and Xbox One in there. Hello. Bye. And last but not least, my Jordans. They're for basketball because I play basketball now. Red and white. I don't know if they're new. Yeah, they're new. What are these? This stuff. Okay, and that's it.